Here's a Google Pixel 7a. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold that power button until it boots up, until you're here. From here, you want to go ahead and choose your language. You can tap right here, choose your language. I'm already good with English here, so I'm just going to tap on Get Started down here. Connect to a mobile network. Now this is where you can download your eSIM or insert a SIM card, okay? For myself, I'm going to use a physical SIM card, but I'm going to do it after the setup is complete, not now, okay? So look in the description below if you want to see how to insert the physical SIM card, okay? But again, for me, I'm going to skip for now. Connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi right now. You can always set up online, but I'm going to go ahead and set up mine now. Oh, here it is, right there. Let me type in my password. I just put in my Wi-Fi password. I'm going to tap on Connect there. Obtaining IP address, connected to device, and it says connected now. So it says connected, and it's not like moving, so let me just tap on where it says connected, my Wi-Fi here. Okay, there we go. Now it says getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, which is your Gmail account, and more. Okay, so if you want to transfer your photos, your Gmail account, whatnot, you can click on next down here, and you will need a old Android or iPhone device. Turn it on and keep it unlocked, okay? However, for me, let me go back here. I'm going to do a clean slate on this phone, so I'm going to click on don't copy for myself. And here they're asking for your Google account or your Gmail sign in. You can go ahead and sign in or create an account, or you can skip it and do it later or whatnot. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and skip it. I'll do mine later on. I'll tap on skip. Google services, look through these. Use location, allow scanning, and send usage and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? So it's up to you, okay? For me, I'm actually fine with having all of them toggled on. And for myself, I'll tap on accept. And this is, it's a limited warranty here. Okay, I'll just tap on next, I guess. Additional legal terms, go ahead and read through this. You must accept to proceed, so make sure you read through those. Click those links if you wish. Okay, I'm gonna tap on accept here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a 4-digit PIN, basically a password. I'm gonna set this up now. So I just chose my 4 digits. Let me click on next, and one more time to confirm. And now I'll tap on confirm. Right there, so I have my PIN set up. Now set up a fingerprint password, okay? You can set this up, you can say no thanks, you can go no thanks, set up later, or you can set it up now, okay? So let's go all the way down. Now you should see agree. I'm gonna go ahead and set mine up now, so I'm gonna tap on agree there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tap on start, and I'm gonna use my thumb here, okay? So I'm gonna keep going. You'll feel it vibrate. Just go until that blue line is all the way connected with the circle, okay? So just keep on going. Place the edge of the finger. Just keep on going. All right, fingerprint is added. Now from here, you can add another finger, or you can click on next. You can add other fingers as well, okay? And this is to set up the face unlock, face ID password, basically, okay? If you normally wear glasses, you can wear them during setup, okay? So we're just gonna go all the way down, and now it says agree here. You can go no thanks, you can set this up later or never set it up. I'm gonna set mine up now. I'm gonna tap on agree right there. And I had to hold the phone up to eye level. I'm gonna click on start. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in eye level. And let's see if this works with my camera phone right there. Let me just, got to get that circle all lined up. Okay, there we go. Looks good. Let me tap on done right there. Review additional apps. Choose what you want, what you don't want. Okay. I mean, I'm just going to go ahead and leave all of mine on here. That's fine. And you can untoggle whatever you don't want. And I'm going to click on OK. And here's a quick tutorial. You can always skip it, but I will just go through it. Swipe to navigate. Learn gestures to go home, back, and switch apps. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and try it. And it says swipe up to go home. So from the bottom, I'm gonna swipe up just like that. Nice. Now swipe to go back. You can see this way here. Nice. Swipe to switch apps. So to switch apps, you go from the bottom here and just slide up and just stop right about there, okay? And there you go. And you can see all your apps there and you can close it and whatnot. I'll tap on done right there. You're all set. And then it says swipe up to go home. Boom. We're in business, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and insert the physical SIM card. The link will be below if you wanna know how to do that, all right? Good luck, guys.